Ever pondered over the secret sauce to influencers' success on Amazon? Could it be magic or just plain old strategy? Well, we're about to unravel the mystery today. Welcome to the intriguing world of the Amazon Influencer Program. This program is designed to turn your social media influence into revenue. Imagine a scenario. You share a product link on your blog or social media platforms. Someone clicks on it, buys the product, and voila, you earn a commission. That, in essence, is the Amazon Influencer Program. This program is an extension of Amazon's affiliate program, but it's exclusively for social media influencers. So, what does it take to be part of this lucrative program? Well, it's not just about having a large following. Amazon also takes into account the type of content you create, the level of your followers' engagement, and the quality of your posts. Once approved, you'll get access to a customizable page on Amazon where you can list your recommended products. This page, also known as your storefront, will have its unique URL that you can share with your followers. Every time a follower buys a product from your storefront, you get a commission. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Besides the obvious financial gain, the Amazon Influencer Program also offers a platform to build your personal brand. It allows you to share your favorite products with your followers, thereby strengthening your relationship with them. Moreover, Amazon does most of the heavy lifting for you. They handle inventory, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on creating engaging content for your followers. To join, simply visit the Amazon Influencer Program page and click on the Get Started button. You'll be asked to log into your social media account for a quick review. Once approved, you'll receive an email with all the details to set up your storefront. In conclusion, the Amazon Influencer Program is about leveraging your social media influence to earn commissions. It's about sharing your favorite products with your followers and earning a piece of the pie when they make a purchase. It's about building a personal brand while letting Amazon handle the logistics. Remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the quality of your content, the engagement of your followers, and your passion for the products you recommend. So if you've been looking for a way to monetize your social media influence, the Amazon Influencer Program could just be the answer. Voiceover. As we wrap up this informative journey, let me introduce myself again. I'm Thomas Bedell, the founder of Blue Heron Media Group, a subsidiary of Blue Heron Companies, where we strive to showcase the best in technology. I hope you found this video enlightening and that it has given you a better understanding of the Amazon Influencer Program. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and followers, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, the world of technology is ever evolving and there's always something new and exciting on the horizon. Stay tuned for more, because we're just getting started. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating.